this for the streets, the runners. Cause I'm out here grinding. I don't care what nobody said. I'ma be me. Stay hood, stay rich. Cause I'm out here grinding. Niggas talk about greatness whenever they speak about me. Cause I'm out here grinding. I ain't spending nothing with nobody, homie. I gotta get me. Cause I'm out here grinding. I ain't slipping 8 days. I can go for 8 weeks. Ain't nothing to me. Cause I am the street. Put my life on the line. Put them like we divine.
Hey, say, man, you heard? Ah! Oh, shit. Yeah! Come on!
No, you want me bad, like I give a fuck. Better die me now for price going up. Came in the world thuggin', leaving with big man.
Hey, man, let's get it, man. Big announcement, you would. Hey, big announcement, you are. Hey, listen. If this is your very first time trading live with us, if this is your very first live trading session with us, I have a big announcement, man. You heard? Here we go.
Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party.
Hey, man, let's get it, man. Let's get it, man. We're not going to let another second go by. We're not going to let another second go by. You were.
About me, cause I'm out here grinding. I ain't splitting nothing with nobody, homie. I gotta get me. Cause I'm out here grinding. I ain't slipping 8 days. I can go for 8 weeks. Ain't nothing to me, cause I am the street.
Put my life on the line, put them like we divine. I'm on top of the game, fuck if you like it or not. That's how I get the free. Strawberry sushi sweet. You be dealing with H when you dealing with G's.
We be killing the G's. Okay. Alright, man, you know what I'm saying? New day, new slay, new pray, anything else that rhyme with that shit. Oh, yeah. Alright, man, let's see what we got, bro, real quick. First things first, bro. We are in this beautiful FVG right here on the 1 minute chart. And we can easily come out of here. I kind of want to short this, brother. I kind of want to short this, but I'm going to wait. I kind of want to short this. So if you got balls to the wall, you can short this with low risk all day. You got balls to the wall. A little short like that, like a little 1-to-1. I'm not going to take it. I really want to, but I'm going to just wait. Let's see what everything look like first. Boom, 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 boom. But I call this like paper trading, front testing. I'm not going to enter it, but I'm going to watch and see what happens, right? So trading ain't all about jumping in a trade and, you know, trying to make money, bro, because you're going to lose money, too, trying to do that. So, like, this just pops up and takes a L at the stop loss, then that was a good no trade. You get what I'm saying? So, you got to learn by, like, practicing, like. And practicing don't mean putting your real money on the line, putting your prop firm account on the line, putting your personal funds on the line. You don't have to learn like that, bro. You can learn for free. You can learn for free. Real live market, real data, real time price. You can learn for free, bro. You don't have to. But of course, once you start being right, you know what I'm saying? You start risking some money towards that shit, bro. If you consistent. Cause I'm out here grinding. Cause I'm out here grinding. All right, what would it look like though if I were to take this trade? It'll be a sell. Target the golden zones. That's a 500 ball. Risking only 320, and that's 2 contracts. All right, so let's see what we got, bro. We got a grab. We got an FEG right here on the 30-minute. Then we got a continuation. Possible continuation. As much as I want to trade that, I'm not, right? I'm going to just stay out of that. How many points do your stop loss normally? It just depends on the trade. Like right now, this is a real situation, so 1 point. Right? What's the entry? 36.8, and then the stop loss is 38.8. So that's 2 points. Oh, it's right here. My bad. It's right here. 2 points. So 2 points. Well, that's 21 ticks. This is 2 points. 2 points. 2.1. Cause I'm out here grinding, but it depends on the trade. We don't follow a set 5 tick stop, 20 tick stop. It's based on the setup, based on the trade, based on the candles, based on price, based on volatility. All right, let's start looking at this shit, bro. Cause good thing I didn't rush into a trade. So we would have had a little bit of drawdown there. 1 minute OB here, so it could get the twerking there. That wouldn't be bad either, honestly. Stop up there, current price, risking 400 to make 6. The break out of this level wouldn't be bad. Stop loss right here, risking 3 something. All right, I'm going short. I'm going short after that too. After that 1 minute touch. I'm going short, and my stop loss is right above around 300 bucks. So if I'm selling it, I need to be buying it to get out. So I'm in a manual sale. Let's see if I rushed it or not. So manual sale, so I need to be in a manual buy to get out. So 2 sales, I got to be in 2 buys to get out. And I'm in 2 manual sales, so I got to get in 2 manual buys to get out of this trade. So to buy it, we get out with the buy limit, 2 buy limits. That's it. Now we got that strong rejection off the 1 minute, bro. The feel of the FEG, bro. So I expect this to continue down. And honestly, it can flush past this golden zone, but I'm gonna just take profit there. And let's see what we get, brother. Cause I am the shade. So if you look at it like this, you got the liquidity grab. Right, you got hit the highs, rejection, hit the highs, rejection, FVG, feel the FVG, now it should go down and continue trend. You see how tight our take profit is? This is easily gonna smack, and guess what? It can go way lower. You get what I'm saying? It can go way lower, honestly. Like we're talking like here to this golden zone easily, to this low, which is this golden zone, and then we're talking the next level right down here. So let's put our highs and lows. Lows right there. Lows right there. Because these already got hit. These are past. I'ma do me. If you're happy with profits, you can get out now. Let's see if we can get that push down to the 34.35s. And there it is, my friend. $380. Everybody put, all right, listen. So listen, we did a manual sell, so we had a manual buy, so it's still here. You got to get it out. So if you have a manual orders, you got to close them all. So yeah, that's pretty much the flush I was looking for. The take profit was just so tight that was gonna get smashed, right? So we could have easily opened it up, but what if it didn't and it stopped here and pushed up, right? So everybody put WPNL in the chat. Great job, everybody. WPNL in the chat. Bro, we've been on here 15 minutes, 10 minutes, and we already cashed out. First trade, nasty, disgusting. And it could go even down, even lower to the next golden zone. At 34.34s. Let's see. Oh, that's right there. What's the golden zone price? 34.32s. Yeah. There's more down there than it is here. Alright, so yeah, so I took that trade because it was a beautiful rejection off of the order block, and if it was gonna go up, it was gonna hit me out at stop and then continue up. If not, that rejection was the last piece, and then boom, the flush straight down. So listen, if you're new here, we just took profit. So put W, however much you made, which is your P&L, W P&L in the Zoom chat, and put your W P&L inside the Discord at the very bottom. It's called Live Trading Profits. That's where we put our testimonials and how much we made every day. We put that in there. So WPNL in the Zoom, WPNL in the Discord, bro. Amazing trade, right? Amazing trade. Good job. We literally had 0 drawdown on that trade, bro. That's the type of bangers we want to come on here and grab, bro. And the way we took profit, bro, we might have would have made a little bit more money, but not much because we're back up 2 minutes later. So shit like that, bro. So there's a 15-minute order block right here we must pay attention to because it could stop here. So it wouldn't be super smart to be selling inside of this order block because it can still push up. You get what I'm saying? It can still push up. I'm not saying it has to or will. But it can still push up, bro. We just caught that trade in 15 minutes, 10 minutes. And we was only in the trade 3 minutes literally, bro. I didn't even have a time to play a song. I'm gonna do a little video, man. Let's get it, man. WPNL in the Zoom, WPNL in the Discord, bro. What is the name of the indicator for FVG? Literally FVG. Search FVG and you'll see Nephew Sam. It's probably the first one you'll see. It's free. Go get it. Alright, WPNL in the Zoom, WPNL in the let's get it, go. Oh my god, another cash trade. I don't like that. Let's go, Bruce. Energy, energy. Give me energy. Give me energy, Bruce. Energy, energy. Oh my god, boy. We just cashed another trade. Listen, bro, we was in this trade for 3 freaking minutes, bro. We had an entry here, take profit here at the golden zone, stop loss right above after the 1 minute order block rejection. Let's see how much the chat made, bro. $480, $300, $375, $130, $410, $320, $150, $410, $690, $373, $230. Oh my god, bro. It's only $150 a month, bro. $480, $200, $16, $170, $460. Come on, bro. 57, $500, bro. If you want a live trade with us, it's only $150 a month, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern. Join up. Let's get it, bro. Oh my god.
You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss.
All right, enough of that. Enough of that. Enough of that. Enough of that. All right. W138. Let's get it. All right, so look, FVG fill, wick close out of it. I'm predicting almost the same exact setup. So it would be entry here, stop loss right above, and then target the next golden zone. But it can kind of do whatever. It can kind of do whatever. But it can kind of do whatever, so I wouldn't really just rush to take that. So we got the 5 minute right here. So we're also in a 5 minute OB, bro. It's just like, this is not the area you want to be selling at, right? When we was selling it, we was up here at the golden zone, at the MA, shit like that, at the MA, in trend direction down. Now we were going down to the order block, right? So it hits the order block. Now it's rejecting. So I don't know how strong these sales, see that little sell right there with a boom, stop loss hit quick. right? Because why? Because you was fighting it out of this order block. So that's why you gotta know what's going on. Look at this 5-minute FVG up here. Like, bro, come on. Right? So liquidity grab, pull back into the FVG, you enter, stop loss above or a little bit more space above the highs. It should not cross above the FVG. It could. It can wick up, fill it, and then come down, close. So you could wait for all this to happen and then take a sell with a stop loss above what happened. Now, if it blows through, guess what? You didn't take a trade. So a little shit like that. So that's kind of what we did here. We let this do the whole full fill, let it hit the order block, let it reject, then we enter with a defined stop loss. Right? But that's best over at these highs versus this. Because if we got out here and it could still hit 50% and still could have tanked. But it didn't even happen. Alright, so 1 minute order block always going to be the best place to enter. So we got the 1 minute order block right here. So price could come out right here. It could come back down to the golden zone. And it could flush from here after that 1 minute order block touch. So it would look like this. It'll be a sell stop kind of thing or a manual order, you know. This is just how to see the risk, right? So up here at the golden zone, we're risking 500. But down here at the golden zone full, we risking, like, we making 480. So it's a little under a 1-to-1, but it's kind of moving. Yeah, so it's actually exactly a 1-to-1 for me. It's just moving with the price. But I think I'm not going to set a limit. I'm just going to kind of wait and maybe do it manually. Because if it pushes up past this order block, then that'll be invalid. Because we're still trying to, we're still pushing out of this order block. So let's see, at this golden zone level, yeah, we'll still be at the tip of this order block. So that won't be the smartest trade, bro. It'll be smart on the 1 minute, you know, trend continuation for it to keep going down. But fighting this order block rejection will be the objection of it, right? So look at the tip of the order block, right? And look at the left side of the 1 minute chart right now. So I'm on the 5, but look at the cursor on the 1, right? The tip of this is where the price is rejecting off of. So the invalidation of this whole block would be the golden zone. So this is a trade that would be kind of ballsy. Because it can come back down to this entry, right? It can come back down to this entry and still push up. Meaning it can make me enter this sell. Hold on. Alright, what the fuck? Alright, we back. Where my chat at? Where the chat? Chat. Damn, internet out, yeah. Internet out. Alright, we straight. Alright, let's get it. Ooh, I'm on some DJ Khaled shit. We the best. Ooh, I'm on my Britney Spears shit. Not again. See that, bro? That shit did exactly what the fuck I just said, bro. So I was saying, that's why I didn't want to rush into just putting a pending order here, because that shit would have grabbed us and went the other way. Why? Because we're fucking still at this order block. Come on, bro. Being a great trader is knowing when not to trade as well. You feel me? You feel me? I said, do you feel me? I said, do you feel me? This shit stuck in my head, y'all.
Damn, I'm on my Britney. Oops, I hit again. Damn, I'm on my DJ Khaled. we the best. Damn, we rolling hella deep. I feel like Adele. Damn, I'm on my Britney. Oops, I hit again. Damn, I'm on my DJ Khaled. We the best. Damn, we rolling hella deep. I feel like Adele. Damn, I'm on my Britney. Oops, I hit again. Damn, I'm on my DJ Khaled. We the best. Damn, we rolling hella deep. I feel like Adele. Damn, I'm on my
This
Britney.
shit stuck in my
Oops, I
head.
hit again.
They be like, Bruce, why you so
Damn, I'm on my
quiet?
DJ Khaled. We the best. Damn, we rolling hella deep. I feel like Adele. Damn, I'm on my Britney. Oops, I hit again. Damn, I'm on my DJ Khaled. We the best. Damn, we rolling hella deep. I feel like Adele. Damn, I'm on my Britney. Oops, I hit again. Damn, I'm on my DJ Khaled. We the best. Damn, we rolling hella deep. I feel like Adele. Damn.
Then I be like, all right, that shit getting old right now. Turn that shit off, bro. Cause I'm out here grinding. I got a song for y'all, bro.
There's always that one person that will always have your heart. You never see it coming cause you're blinded from the start. Know that you're that one for me. It's clear for everyone to see. Ooh, baby.
Yeah.
Here we go. Hey, hey, hey. But I know about us. This the only way you know how to rock.
I don't know about y'all, but I know about us. And
It's the only way we know how to rock. Do you remember, girl? I was the one who gave you your first kiss. Cause I remember, girl, I was the one who said, put your lips like this. Even before screaming your name, screaming your name. Girl, I was there, and you were my baby. It started when we were younger, you were mine. Now another brother's taking over, but it's still in your eyes. Even though we used to argue, it's alright, girl.
It's
We
okay.
haven't seen each other in a while, but you will always be my boy.
Hey, what Bow Wow do? Hey, what Bow do? Bow Wow thought that shit was tough as hell. Bow Wow said,
Yeah, I know what this is. That's what you need to do, girl.
hey, Glass, stupid ass.
I've been watching you for a minute. Come through here, some sweets in it. Your life.
All right, listen, bro. If we're gonna, god damn, get it out. Whew. All right, look, I'm still willing to short here, bro. I might put two sell limits now, bro. Here we go. Oh shit, damn, what a shitty feel. Fuck. All right, we got a shitty feel. I'm in a short, so if I'm selling it, I want to take this down to the golden zone. So if I'm selling it, I need to be buying it to get out. We got a shitty fucking injury. God damn it. But it's cool, long as... Alright, the only thing that can happen is it touches here and then pops back up. That would be the worst. But I'm really thinking it's going to reject and then come back to it with strength and then push past it with speed, bro. So this candle should come down to 50% mark and then next candle should open and then bink, get us out. Which means it's going to violate that order block. And you are my baby. Started when we were younger. You were my ooh, ooh. Alright, man. Here we go. Ooh, I'm on my Kanye West shit. Like Adele. I chopped that all the way up. Ooh, I'm on my DJ Khaled shit. We the best. I know it's going to bring us home. Let's violate this motherfucker. Fuck the buyers! Everybody say fuck the buyers! Whoever's buying this shit about to get fucking wrecked. Whoever's buying this shit's about to get fucking wrecked. Bring us home, Travis. Welcome. How to keep twisting her up. You can't get out in profit if you're scared. Moral of the story, don't be scared. If you scared, get out. If you got loud trail and drawdown, get out. I see you, Miss Love. That shit'll never leave. It's a good tactic. He said we above the buffer. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I ain't touching it. I ain't touching it. Here we go. Here we go. Right here. This is the last push. Get us home, fucker. Bow, 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 bow. Oh, 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 to it, oh, to it, oh, to it, oh, to it, oh. Yeah. Hey, WPN on the fucking check right now. WPN on the fucking check right now. I ain't on the Millennium Tour. WPN on the fucking check right now. I gotta cut that check for you, Andre. You gotta cut that check to trade with me. Cut that check, 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 cut that check. I need my 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 end. I need my end. I need my check. I need my check. Mama $50. Cut that check. Cut that check. Cut that check. Come on, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. I really do this shit, bro. Real life. Every single day I do this shit. Before I was live trading, I was doing this shit every fucking day. Now I'm live trading, I'm still doing this shit every fucking day, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. WPNL in the district right now. WPNL in the district right now. I put 50 bricks in a new Range Rover. I ride around town, drop top Lambo. 2 choppers on me. I'm feeling like Rambo.
You know we don't miss.
Dancing is so weird without music. Oh shit. Damn, bitch, you done rocked the motherfucking disc. What a day. It's literally 8:55, bro. We are 2-0 at 8:55, bro. I got on here at 8:25. We've been on here 30 minutes. And we just straight sniped the trade. The most drawdown we had because of the shitty field. They tried to play us. We was trying to get in here. Holy shit, bro. So we could have made another $200 pretty much. Essentially. So instead of like 3-something, 600 on the day, it would have been a little more, but who cares, bro? Hey. Long as you're right on the direction, the entry doesn't matter. Of course, we're gonna get the best entry, but long as you're right on direction, the entry doesn't matter. Do y'all understand that, bro? shit, bro. I got an announcement though, for real though.
Everybody want to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
She didn't have to cut me off. But we were nothing.
Hey, listen, bro, that's 2-0 today, bro. Second trade we just caught was the golden zone from here down to here. Straight drop, no delay, zero drawdown. All right, to be real with you, it was a little drawdown because we got filled, but you get what I'm saying. The little pullback was just a pullback to the desired entry. And then we straight to take profit, and look at it, bro. When you're right on direction, the entry doesn't matter. What the fuck am I yapping about, bro? Whoa, shut up, bro. Don't say that. Let's do it again.
She didn't have to cut me
Hey, listen, bro. That's 2-0 today, bro. We just caught this beautiful trade. Golden zone to golden zone. Bro, if you want this indicator, bro, it's only $100 one time. We literally get on here and smack every single day following these golden zones, order blocks, and FEGs, bro. Let's see how much the chat made on that second trade, bro. Oh my God, 730, 240, $62, another $500, 420, 120, 55, $300, 210, 360, 297, $800, bro. 450, 239, 65, 700, 140, $204, $520, bro. This is what we literally do every single morning. We're officially 3-0 this week. Let's fucking go, bro. If you want to trade live with us, join up at tradewithbruce.com or just message me for the discounted link at $150 a month, bro. Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern. Let's freaking go, bro. All right, damn, I couldn't even say it fast enough. There was a breaker block set up. So since this was a real order block that did reject, that did pull back, and we did blow through it, what do? It turns into a breaker block. They pull back to it. Now they use that old, what's it called? Old support as now new resistance. And then they push down, and then you try to target what? The next golden zone or the next golden zone. If it's going to really continue the trend or extend the trend, it'll go to the next golden zone. But we're right here at the low of the day. So the next target will be the low of the day easily. Little shit like that, bro. So it happened so quick while I was doing my video, I couldn't even say it fast enough. But yeah, it broke. You want a nice break, a pull back to it. You want to enter here. Your stop loss could be on the other side, because it usually doesn't cross. It usually doesn't cross when it's a nice trade, a nice setup. It's usually not gonna cross, but sometimes it will, and it can come up to this order block, right? It can come up to the order block. So it's kind of like the breaker setups. It's two ways you can look at it. You can look at it like this, where you have your entry here, your full stop above everything, right? So it's like going to be negative R to R and shit. But long as you're in a high probability trade setup and you pop out, you just want to have a bigger stop so you don't get stopped out. And it comes up, 2 more ticks, rejects, and then goes back down to your TP. That's what you don't want. So I'm willing to have a negative R to R with a defined target, with a defined stop loss, right? If I know I need space on this trade. Or you freaking wait to the order block. So now if you wait to the order block, yes, now you get a 1 to 2. You get a 1 to 2.3. You get a great R to R, but guess what? You might not get fucking activated because of this breaker block. So it's kind of like you're kind of forced to trade it. You know what I'm saying? You're forced to enter here, and you're forced to have to put your stop here. You're not forced, because if you hit here, and just like that, low of the day just got smacked, bro. This shit is not random, bro. This shit is not random. Yeah. Take profit, trader. W900. I understand it now. Good job, Joseph. Everybody, put WPNL in the Discord too. At the very bottom of Discord, live trading profits. Go put WPNL in the Discord too. Great job, everybody. Great job. Great job, everybody.
Oops, I hit again. Damn, I'm on my DJ Khaled.
We the best. Damn, look at that golden zone.
Rolling hella deep. I feel like a damn, I'm on my Britney.
Bro, this shit is getting spooky, bro. This shit is getting spooky, bro. Bro, this shit is getting spooky, bro. Hold on 1 second. Oops, I'm on my DJ Khaled shit. We the best. Y'all, let me show y'all. Well, I can't show you, but where am I at? Where the zoom at? Zoom. That shit's still pushing down. Ooh. What am I doing? So I'm sharing my screen again real quick. Y'all, my P&L is $741. 2 small ass trades. 2 small ass, nice ass, no stress trades, bro. In and out. 2 trades. 2 trades. Yeah, we could have been holding from here. We was entering here. Yeah, we still could have been holding. We would have been back at break even and in drawdown sweating. And then back to take profit here at the first trade. Second trade is the entry. So then there's a full golden zone completed after we took our second trade. So all we did was we took the first level, got out, waited, took the second level, got out. That's how you trade the golden zone, bro. Right? So if you're not trading this, the break and retest of this level, that's nothing but a breaker block. Right? So the breaker block take profit 1 was at the low. Breaker block take profit 2 was at what? The golden zone. And that's it. That's damn near the trade. Because at that point, now it's at the low of the day, bro. This shit can do whatever. It can probably come over here and find an untouched FEG, and it looked like that's what it did. So yeah, bro, I really do this shit, man. Let's get it, bro. Lock in with me and we straight. Lock in with me and we straight, man. I'm going to teach y'all and we making money at the same time, bro. $741, bro. 2 little pussy ass trades, bro. It's fire, bro. Bruce, what's the name of the... Alright, so Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader is the broker, is the company. Take Profit Trader and use code BW. Take Profit Trader and use code BW. Bruce W. BW. 2 today, 2 yesterday. This just getting started. Yep. That's it. That's it. What I tell y'all the other day, bro? What I tell y'all the other day? When I say shit, bro, I be dead ass for real, bro. And I hold my word, bro. When I say something, bro, that shit is real. That shit is stuck. What y'all be saying? What y'all young folks be? Oh, shit. 34.25. 34.25. This is a big area right here. Let's watch this area. 34.25. Let's watch this area right here. Ooh, I'm on my DJ Khaled shit. We the best. They be like, let's watch this area. It blows through it. What level is this? Is that a FVG field or something? Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's the bottom of that FVG. Shit is not random, y'all. But yeah, look at this bitch tank yank. So target 1 was the low. Target 2 was the golden zone. The next target will be the next fucking golden zone, bro. That's just how this shit moves, bro. Crazy. Crazy, man. We got a lot of shit in store, bro. We got a lot of money ahead of us, bro. I'm only gonna get better, bro. Y'all, the shit I'm learning, I'm only gonna get better, bro. I'm only gonna get better, bro. I'm gonna try to predict something real quick. This is how I get better, bro. So I want to pull up to this. I want to break. I want to pull back to it possibly. And then push back. Clean. I want a clean break. Nasty. I want it clean but nasty break. I want it so clean that it's nasty. I want that motherfucker nasty, boy. Yo, but this 5-minute FVG, bro, lock that man up. Whoever is in here, lock that man up. He does not need to be on the streets. So let's go. Stop loss above 640 ball. Crazy trade right there, that is. So when it hits this order block, that's when you go to break even. And then you just fucking wait. You just let it wait. Let it wait. But at this point, so when it hit when it hit the order block, maybe you can close one of these contracts. So at 1,500, you can close one, and that'll be 750 straight to the bank. 750 straight to the bank, and then you let the other one run. So boom, you close one and you let the other one run. Boom, you make another 1,800. So that's 1,800 plus 700. 1,800 plus 750. What's the math on that? So 1,800 plus 2 is 2,000 plus another 5. That's 2,500 trade just by securing it and you know, managing your trade a little bit more professionally. Because if you just, I mean, ain't no, it's to each his own, bro. You know, it's to each his own, bro. Like if you want to hold the full position, bro, that would, you know what I'm saying? That would be on the trader. So you risk that 600, and then boom, you make 3,500 to the bottom of this FVG, right there, I guess, or the tip of the FVG. I don't know. So it'll be based on the target. But either way, bro, this trading shit, bro, changing lives, bro. You just gotta lock in for real. Just gotta lock in and learn this shit, bro. It kind of do the same shit every day, bro. It's different, but it's the same shit every day, bro. I get on here and prove it every day, bro. W163 from the last golden zone to here. So from here, you took a sell, you took short here at 34.25s. That's good management. Yep. So it's just, you know, trading is just, you know, risk management, having a great plan, a great strategy, a great tool like the golden zone, something like that. If y'all don't have this indicator that I've been talking about all fucking day, then you can buy it from me $100 one time. You can't get it nowhere else. $100 one time for me. I made it. I custom made it. It's me. Me and my boy over there overseas made this bitch. Bro. Another 500. I definitely understand it now. Let's go. Let's fucking go, Joseph. Hey, everybody. Joseph. Diana. Put that shit in the Discord. WPNL. Every trade. WPNL the first one. WPNL the second one. WPNL the third one. Boom. 1,500 done for the day. Blah, blah, blah. Say all that. Do whatever. You know what I'm saying? Be happy, bro. Post that shit. Put that shit in their face. Let them see it. Put it in their face. Good work, brother. Great work, brother. So, yeah, man. This is what we doing every day, man. So, if you don't know, now you know, Trigger. Alright, man. But guess what, bro? There's 69 people in here, boy. Y'all freaky as hell, boy. Y'all folk freaky as hell, boy. On me. On my mama. On my soul. Alright, let's get it, bro. Ah, yo, I was scared. Yo, I was scared. Bro. Alright, man, let's get it, bro. We out of here. Tomorrow, same time, 8 a.m. Eastern. Let's fucking go, boys. Let's fucking go, boys. Let's freaking go, bro. W Bruce, see ya, bro. Thanks, Bruce, for sure, man. Let's do it, bro. We pop out with the party. I'm with the gang, and it's gonna be a rhyme. So take your chain. I'm a killing girl. Where my chat go? Alright, man. I love y'all, bro.